already. I'm not pressing anything.
Yeah.
It's Raiviosuonmäki 5 staircase C. We've got only the staircase D left to be filmed in this building, and at the opposite side we've got the building 4 with the staircases A and B left to be filmed later.
Yeah.
And that's from late 1969. The capacity is 4 persons or 320 grams. We are in Martinlaakso, modernized, Vantaa, Västra Vantaa, Västra Vantaa, in the Helsinki, Helsingfors region, Uusimaa, Finland. We're going to take two rides here as well.
Yeah.
This is amazing. These are the staircase D, and the two other ones are 3 of the most important ones to be filmed here.
Yeah.
And the serial number is H18471. It's 50 years old in last year, 2020. It's going to be inspected in 2023. 6 months. I like the smell in here.
Yeah. Speed by Kiloinspector, maintained by Officer, nowadays practice.
That's it, and thank you very much for watching. And I really hope that you'll get to the last one here. This is the staircase D. And the two other ones.